How to change lock screen app shortcut on your Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra or any other latest Samsung S25 series. By default, when you lock your phone, you can see this set the lock screen app left shortcut or right shortcut on your device. If you want to change this app shortcut, first of all unlock your device. Tap and hold the blank space on home screen. Tap the wallpaper and style at the bottom left corner. Here you can see the lock screen wallpaper on the left side. Tap on it. Now you can see left shortcut or right shortcut. Tap on the shortcut. Here we select left shortcut. Now here you can see action. Select the application you want to access from the left shortcut. So here we select the calendar as a left shortcut. On right side here, tap on right shortcut. Now select the application for the right shortcut you want to use. So here we select the Facebook application. Now we set both left shortcut or right shortcut on my Samsung S25 Ultra. Now tap on done at the top right corner. Now apply to lock screen. Now lock your phone and you can see both the calendar and Facebook application. Like it, share it.